All right. So another another day for the Bulls, guys. All right, so overall, right? Today was Bulls all the way. No Bears. It was a slow grind up, but oh, basically Spy and Q's murdered their ATR. They usually move 5 to 6. They both moved at least $10 today. So given with the Nvidia ER run up. So tomorrow, no data, right? Let me verify before I even talk out my mouth. Woo! Nothing tomorrow. Okay. So that's good. There shouldn't be no turbulence. So momentum is obviously still up in my opinion. We gapped up on spies and Qs. We have a double bottom forming on the RSI, which is it's crazy because when we was talking about Zoom on Tuesday, I literally said we got to bounce around this RSI level. Why? Because look how many times it bounced there. So it bounced 3 times. No, bullshit. It bounced 4 times almost around that RSI level. And it basically created a lower high. Yeah, a higher low. Sorry, higher low with this pivot. So these were down here, but these are higher. And we got a crisscross on the RSI. Of course, you guys see the MAC is already pink. So that's good. That means tomorrow could be another run for the Bulls, in my opinion. Um, Same goes for the Qs, the RSI and MACD, both in confluence to go up. There's nothing telling me we're gonna sell off. Now, which one looks cleaner to probably go higher? If I had to pick one, I'll say Qs just because Q's just cracked, right? It didn't crack it clean, right? We still got some wick activity around 439. So 439. Once it breaks 439, then it could definitely go up at least $3 to $4 before it gets a pullback from that highs. Now SPY already cracked highs, so you gotta be cautious. Could pull back a little bit. It could probably retrace 50% of this candle. So probably get a little pullback around, I'll say like 504, maybe 503, and then see if there's a bounce to try to go long. But overall, everything looks bullish. So I'll put an alert around here for a pullback to see if we could get. Matter of fact, let me dissect it on the 15th. Hold on. Sorry, I'm a little late tonight, guys. All right, so yeah, I'm looking. If we pull back, it has to be around here, in my opinion. All right, around resistance turn support. All right, resistance turn support. So scratch 503. 505 is going to be an area that we should watch tomorrow. 505 zone. Right, we went all the way to what, 50, almost 509, 508. So $3 pullback from 508, that's reasonable to watch. So let's see. Now this one, I'd rather just wait till it cracks because, like I told you guys, we didn't completely break. So let's do 440.15, right, on Q. Okay. But overall, not bearish. I am not bearish on spies or Qs, all right? There we go. All right, let's talk about these names, right? Let's get into Apple. Let's get into all these good names. And Google sold off today. I mean, it's understandable. They had 2 good days when the market was chopping, and then they threw in the monkey wrench today. Ooh, that's a shooting star type of pattern right there. But still could rip. RSI still showing strength and MAC. So Yeah, this could just be a pullback to the rest day above the 9 and 21. That's good. That could be it. So we could possibly see some upside on Google over here.
Hey Cam, when you say shooting star, that's like it's a pin bar that's red up top.
Yeah, so it's like a hammer candle.
Okay.
It's just red and it's on resistance area. So,
On
so
resistance.
yeah,
Okay.
so this would be my hammer candle
Okay.
on hand area. So when it has a red one like that, it usually means it could sell hard.
Okay. So you're interpreting that as it's still a weak candle that it's going to come back down when
No,
you say shooting.
it is a weak. I mean, sorry, it's a obviously it's a bearish candle. My bad.
Right.
In reference to strength wise, is not as strong as obviously one of these big boys.
Mhm.
They think. The only positive I'm taking out of it is because the bottom close was above these EMAs. So you guys know how I feel. I'm like when I'm either above a EMA or
Right.
under EMA or under VWAP or above VWAP. So that's why I'm saying it could be like we all know this shit is not 100%, right? So we
Right.
just go for what we know. So it is a bearish candle, but the fact that it held above those EMAs, it could be like a rest day today to try to bounce up today because today's action on Google was honestly initially it ripped up, but then end of the day it sold off. So it could be a bounce tomorrow. So it could be setting up to go back up
Mhm.
to test highs or the highs of today, basically. And the only reason I'm saying that is because if this was lining up like downside-ish or
Mhm.
then I'll be like, yeah, no, I mean, we're gonna go down. But I feel like this is a bait for the Bears to get in when
Mhm.
it shouldn't really, to me, it shouldn't sell off tomorrow. I feel like it should. That's a resting candle, red candle, and then we could possibly test. If anything, I'm thinking we could reject here. If anything, I don't think we could we're gonna sell off under. If anything, we reject here and stay above the 9 and 21.
Got
But
it.
yeah, this is the only thing that's keeping me saying, oh, we're gonna go up. If we was downside-ish on the R side, then I'm like, yeah, Nami, I think we're gonna be fucked tomorrow. Or if this candle was underneath the 9 and 21, then I'm like,
Mhm.
we're going to at least a 50, in my opinion. That's my purple.
Mm.
Now it's purple, guys. Because I don't know why I had it white before. I
So
could
if you ever call out, like if we're trading, you're saying, "Hey, I see a shooting star." When you're saying a shooting star, for the most part, you're expecting a bullish move toward the upside,
so
typically.
this is
Like
daily.
in most cases. In some cases, obviously, it'll worse, but like usually, because I know, like if you flip that wick, right, you got an evening star, right? If
Yeah.
you put the wick on top, right, and that's definitely bearish. Like we're coming back and back fucking down
Mm-hmm.
again.
Mm-hmm.
But
Mm-hmm.
when you say like, because sometimes you guys will say it, right? Like, oh, I see a shooting star, and I'm like, okay, does that
So
mean Cam's thinking there's going to be a reversal to the downside, or is he expecting this to star to shoot up and go to the upside and hit that bully on the top for Google?
so if I say it on the 15,
Uh-huh.
it's usually like if this was happening, like let's just say this is a 15-minute candle,
Hmm.
scratch the dailies.
Yeah, yeah. Got
So
you.
if this was the 15 and I say, yo, this is like a shooting star and it's
Mhm.
red right at the top, then I'll wait. I'll say like, yo, it's gonna pull back. I don't expect it to reverse right away.
Got it.
So on a 15, it's like it's more conviction like to the
Mhm.
downside on the 15 because remember we're trading the
Right.
short trend basically,
Hmm.
short
Hmm.
trend. And then
Yeah.
usually when I'm trading the 15 and we get about good 3 to 4 intraday highs, like highs that I like to look at, and then on the opposite side, on the lows too, I like to look at 3 to 4 like levels that we bounced off solid where I could now if this popped up on resistance, that red candle on the highs on the 15, I would
Hmm.
say, yo, be careful. We got to keep our bear hats on because
So
if
you would still call it a shooting star, but you're like, hey, shooting star, but I feel bearish.
yeah, exactly.
Okay, got it. Understood.
Yeah, so on
Understood.
the daily, like we gonna read it like this, but
Mm-hmm.
see where these things is closing and opening at, like
Right.
how we use the EMAs. So that's how I am. And if this was on the 15 and it did this towards a high resistance area with
Mm-hmm.
no EMA in sight, obviously we're gonna be like, yo, it's gotta pull down to a VWAP or a 9.
Mm.
Let's say the
You're
Bollinger Band
joking
was
it.
above. Like if the Bollinger Band was above, then you'll be like,
Mhm.
you gotta pull down like at least, you know? So I'm trying to see, hold on. I'm trying to see if I can get a good, if I see, I'm pretty sure I'll run into an example so we could.
Yeah, I'm sure we will.
Yeah. I'll run through it more. Yeah.
Right on, man. Right on. Yeah. So that shooting stars is for you is kind of a neutral thing. Like you're putting in your EMAs, you're looking
Yeah,
at
because
resistance because that shooting star may go up and that shooting star may go down, just depending
exactly.
on where you're at with especially supply and demand.
Yeah, and then
Okay.
if I think I put it in, I think I put it in the let me see, educational
Education videos.
channel. Yeah,
Yeah.
educational
Okay.
channel. Yeah, you could see the strength of the candles, like this, that, like if you see the chart like that. Look, yep, it's right there. Shooting stars at the bottom, right? So it's one,
Okay.
two. It's one of the. So if they're rating it, I don't
Uh,
know which
yeah, yeah,
way
yeah.
you see
Mm-hmm.
it, right? I don't
Yep,
know if
yep,
they're
yep.
trying to say. I'm guessing the strongest bearish one is the hangman. The hangman.
Okay.
I think no, to me will be the
The
bearish.
Marbuzu is going to be the bearish. The Marbuzu is going to be the most bearish, right?
Which one, my brother?
The
Sorry.
Marabazu or whatever. The last one is the
Yeah,
The
the last
bearish.
one's the most bearish.
It's the
Yeah, the
third to
last one.
last.
Sorry.
Barracuda.
Yeah.
The last one. So it's the opposite. Yeah, the
Yeah,
last one's
third to
more
last.
bearish. So that one is actually the third. Actually, no, not the third one. Wait. Shooting star. Wait, I named the wrong one. This is actually a hangman, brother. Man, good thing we spoke about this. This is actually a
It's a
hangman. So look,
hangman.
it's
Oh
even.
Gotcha.
yeah.
So
Okay.
my mistake, guys. I'm so sorry. So it's
Okay. No,
actually a
no, it's all good,
hangman.
bro.
So even more of a reason why I'm saying this shit could reverse tomorrow. That's the weakest one out of the chart.
Yeah,
So that's what I meant.
Interesting.
I apologize. Yeah.
no worries. But if you now let's go back to this. But if you were to see a shooting star based off of this chart, you are definitely clicking more on the bearish side.
Yeah. You're right.
Okay.
You're right.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cool,
Yeah.
cool, cool.
I just you were right from the jump when you say, yo, the hammer candle. I'm like, yeah, you're right. I just had to flip it. I was
Right.
out. The shooting star is the opposite of a hammer candle. That's what that's where I
Mm-hmm.
lost myself. So that's a hangman.
And we kind sometimes we call those evening stars, right?
Yeah, that's the same thing as the evening star,
Yeah,
no?
if this candle was to be a big fat one, like almost
Mhm.
like a bullish engulfing type of situation going on, then yeah, we could be like, yo, evening star pattern could be playing a part. Because that's the thing. There's just not one evening stars. There's like a bunch of, not a bunch, but there's a few evening stars patterns. We just speak
Mhm.
of that specific one. But there's an abandoned baby evening star, I heard. So
Right.
all
Right.
those, so we gotta keep all those in mind. So yeah, that hangman pattern, like I said, is the weakest one on the chart we just spoke about. So yeah, Google could just be resting today and continue up tomorrow.
Thanks for your time, man. I'm sorry to make you go down the rabbit hole on that, but I just
Now,
wanted
No,
to
good thing you asked,
make
bro.
sure. Yeah, just make sure we have the same language, and that way I can or automatically click in my brain what you're seeing on some
yeah. And if you
stuff.
notice on the 15, brother, when we get
Mm-hmm.
a hard reject,
Mm-hmm.
the 15 always follows with back-to-back red candles. Because remember, we do threes, right? We play these candles in three.
Mm-hmm.
So when you see a hard reject on a resistance, like today, when for perfect example,
Yeah, that 505.
Clap got short. You wasn't on Zoom because
Yeah.
you were working, but he got short on a red candle, like the first resistance candle. The second one came in red, but those two bearish candles were short-lived because the 9 was being respected like a motherfucker today.
Mm.
So
Yeah, I got psyched out. Gee, I don't know. I
yeah,
saw
so
short and
he
I
rode
rarely
it.
go short,
He was
bro.
good. He was good in 2 red candles in, but they weren't
And
strong.
so it faked it, yeah,
Yeah, they weren't strong
liquidity.
enough. The bear candle, basically the bull candle that came in on that third sequence of that 15-minute time frame wiped it out. Like it just
Mm.
took them out. So when you see that, keep in mind, like, oh, am I gonna ride this for this candle, or am I really gonna try to ride this for another candle?
Mm. Got
So
it.
so when you look at the 15, you can notice that, and it goes vice versa. When it's a green hammer candle on a nice pre-market bounce zone, it usually gives you back-to-back green candles, before you could hesitate to even think about, oh, should I stay in or should I get out? So
Right. Yeah.
I'm noticing that like a lot too on
Oh, check out
the
MU a little
15.
bit on the 15 based off of that, what you just
Yeah,
said.
MU did that. It bounced off of VWAP, and I think it gave you 2 more green candles after that bounce off of VWAP, and it was like a little doji-ish. I'll talk about MU. I don't mind talking
Yeah.
about
Yeah, I'm
it.
checking it out right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Exactly. it.
That's what was making me stay in MO, because on the hourly I was watching it was breaking, but it was trying to create the evening star until it finally did it.
Nice, bro. Nice, man. Yeah, man. Yo, your patience games is getting up there climbing. You got more patience than me and Ammo. All right. So we got Microsoft bullish, right? Gap up. I'll go long as soon as we get here. That's kiss of that Bollinger Band, right? That's what? That's 415. 85 mark around there you could do. Or 90 if you really want to wait. Everything looks good. These two look good. I got a feeling everything that we're gonna talk about today, MACD and RSI is gonna be looking like compliance to go up. So Meta is gonna go. Look at this Bollinger Band space, bro. Meta is gonna go higher, like no questions. We just gotta wait till the break. That's it. Just wait till the break. Um, Netflix was a good one today. That's why I took Roku. Let's see if Roku picks up tomorrow as the lagger. But Netflix was a banger today off of 3 red days. Look at this. This is an ugly morning star. This is what I call an ugly morning star right here. Why? Because we had a red one with a doji reversal, then a green one all discombobulated. But it's disrespecting the Bollinger Band. It's literally above it. It's sitting on it. So Netflix above, I'll say 392.5. Let me see. Yeah, if you get in at 392.5, you should be able to write it to 392, sorry, 592.5. You should be able to write it to 593.5 almost, a whole dollar move. Then if that cracks, then you could go higher. Remember, we had 600s a couple weeks ago, so Netflix looks like it's still gonna go higher. I mean, this is a higher low. This is a pivot that it built and it bounced off the 9.
That
So
looked like Foot Locker from the last session, bro. I
yeah,
was disrespecting the Boldy.
Foot Locker was insane. Foot Locker was insane. Uh, yeah, I'm FOMO on that one. Okay, so that one looks good. Microsoft looks good. Let's do Tesla. Tesla was a nice one. I know I know Steve got it. I don't know if Clap got it, but he called the bottom of it.
I seen it.
Yeah, so look, this is making higher lows too. Look, after a head and shoulder, this little head and shoulder pattern, it finished the pattern, right? Now look, it's trying to make another pivot higher here. Damn, I should have. I'm looking for Tesla calls tomorrow. Swings. We gap filling, right? For those who don't believe in gap fills, there you go. We're gap filling. We're trying to rebuild into that gap. It kind of filled it a little here, but it fell back, but now it looks good to go up. I'm gonna watch Tesla above here. Yeah, I might get in next week. Two 15s, 210s. Let's see. But Tesla looks good. Are we good? Microsoft, Google, Apple. I feel like I'm missing one. Oh, Amazon. Of course. That was the one. All right. I got like 12 names, yeah. Where the hell's my phone? Oh my God, Amazon too, guys. Damn. And that's day 1 green off of 2 red days. So that's definitely trying to pump some more. Let me see. Okay, so let's do it around here. All right. So Magnificent Seven, guys, all bullish. All bullish. All right. Let's do this. All right. First on the list, small account. I don't know why Siri. Sorry. No, not sorry. Siri. Siri satellite radio looked interesting to me. Roblox looked interesting to me. From watch list. Oh yeah, look at this. This is a beautiful morning star. All right. I'm gonna see around here. See what happens when we get into that wick activity level. 42.75. Roblox is good. We're bouncing off resistance right here and right here. So this is a valid demand area. Small account, right? Well, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red days. So they finally put in a nice green candle. I don't know if Nami would call this an abandoned baby setup, but kind of. Yeah, I like this.
I like that to be a green pin bar outside the bully.
Like it down here then, huh?
Yeah, I
Okay,
like to be even if further away from that bully, the better off we are.
okay. I do like the fact that it's kind of an inside bow day, so let's take that into consideration. You go 40, let's do 480, right? All right. All right. What's okay. All right. Sorry, I wanted to read those lightning bolts. Walmart. You know how we do Walmart on Fridays. Walmart likes to pay. Let's see why. Let's see why how it looks. Uh, mm, Very flaggy. I'm not gonna lie. Just stick down. It's holding this level. Only way I go long, it gotta go at least 30% of this red candle. At least here, give or take. Let's do 176.5, right? Oh, let's do 55 on one more. All right, try to break out of that bear flag sequence that's trying to pull off. All right, so Walmart looks good. MACD still dark. That's good. We're definitely overbought. That's why I'm like, I gotta watch it. This was a new one, guys. I saw it on TV. Never played it. Energy related. Nice macro break going on over here. So Bollinger Band. Let's get in above the Bolly.
This one's a major holding of XLE too, bro. It's one of those top tens of the XLEs.
Thing is a slow grinder to the upside. Yeah, I just added it. New one. H&R Block. Tax season's around. Well, it's here already. It's not around. All right, Stag. All right. Wow, H&R Block. Beautiful buy up off this demand area. This is the demand sequence that it started back over here November 17th. It bounced once, twice, 3, 4, 5. Take off. All right. See what happens right here. This is a good breakout area in my opinion right here. I'll watch it around 48.15. Everything looks good. Mac RSI. All right. Stag in this industrial stag. Okay. Looks like we're gonna build higher. Doesn't want to go under the 9, I'll tell you that. This looks good. This looks shaky, but not that shaky because they got extension on the Mac. So let's we gotta crack here in my opinion. Yeah, we gotta crack the highs of these candles. All right, so watch that. All right, right here. Not expensive either. All right, next on the list. Think this alert actually hit CFX. STLD. Steal that. Wow, CXX with the candle today. Shoosh. 3 days green already. It's tight. It's tight. Can't get it. Gotta wait for a bounce on that one. Right here. See what happens around here. CSX. 3740. Okay, I like how that looks on the daily. That's the top of this candle wick and kind of here, so see if that holds. All right, this one holding the 21. That's what it looks like. Everything looks good. Mac RSI. So we're trying to get up here, right? Trying to get on these price ranges, which is what was this? 120. Do 130 calls next week if we could get it. Hell yeah. $5 out the money once we get comfortable around 125. Uh, these are good. These are good. All right. Yeah, I don't got no bear plays, man. Oh, bull. CLF. Damn, man. Think CLF might do it tomorrow. Cup. This looks like a cup and handle, bro. This would be the handle and this would be the cup, Bill. This is why I'm like, damn, I might have to do a ODTE on ECLF. Yeah, everything looks good to go up, bro. I think the 20s are gonna rip tomorrow. If it's it's already at 20. So 20 and a half, maybe? All right, let's see.
That's the same. Damn.
Yeah, bro. What we had? We had 20s for next week or this week?
We're in 20 and a half tomorrow.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we would have been down still.
Yeah, it'd have taken a lot.
Yeah, we needed more time. That's all. We just needed more time. We took a beating. We got in, I think, around this.
That's a perfect cup and handle.
We got in at a good entry. Don't get me wrong. Like this was a good day to get in. It's just that
Just needed more time.
chop. Yeah, the chop killed us
Needed more.
and all that. So if we had more time, we would. I think we'll be up tomorrow. Right. So I was a little too early. So it happens. So CLF, and I think CLF is setting up because Vail had ER or has ER. I don't know, one of those. I know it's
Check
today,
for you.
tomorrow. Yeah, thanks, bro. Regeneron, fire.
I still got those cons, bro, on CLF, and I even averaged down, and they're down at 86 and 95% down. So,
Yeah,
still, you guys folded at probably a better time.
yeah.
It was yeah, it was today.
Oh, okay. So it might be a little
Vale.
sympathy. All right, so Regeneron and Lily. Lily still hasn't hit his price target.
Oh, lordy.
So tomorrow, if I could catch Lily, I want 850 next week. So this one is, it's gonna burst. Like I know Regeneron's gonna go crazy. I'm gonna just be patient. Gotta be patient. Let's do 60 mark. 60 cents. These cons move crazy. Lily. Yeah, I'm gonna wait till we get above 780, 40. 780, 40. I think it's a good level. Only thing that really looks in our favor is the RSI, candlestick wise on the daily. Still looks good. We just gotta hope it don't double top. That's what I'm hoping, but they got a price target of 850, I think, on Lily. So I don't think it's gonna drop. And next week is the big documentary on the weight loss drug on CNBC. So hint, might work together somehow. Let's see.
Ozempic?
Yeah, they gonna the whole CNBC made a whole series. I think it's a 1 day doc series. I think 1 hour long.
One pill, lose it all.
Yep. So watch that one. I'm almost done, gang. I got Merck too, cause Merck ripped. Oh man. Just keeps going higher, bro. I don't know. It's new. I'm new. Let me see, 15. We gotta get in on a bounce because this joint loves to bounce, bro. Look at this joint. All you have to so bounce, 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 bounce. So if Merc pulls back, I expect it to bounce here. It can even bounce. Gotta do it right here, yeah. Because today that it created a pivot around this area today. You see how that looks on the daily. Damn, we had 130 calls, yo. We could have been chilling still. One chilling. Oh, we in Merc calls over. Still in. Yep. Would have been up more today actually. Because today,
It's like we're chilling in the
yeah,
money
bro.
over.
Yeah, today the candle actually went higher. So we would have been in more profits today, if anything, hopefully.
Motherfucking evening star, bro. Got to me. Got
Yeah.
to my
But
that guy.
look,
That
this
guy.
guy, right?
That guy.
Guy. This is actually this is the shooting star. The shooting star caught you. You see?
Mm,
See, this is a shooting star, not
Oh, okay.
opposite of a hammer.
interesting.
Opposite
back.
of this right here.
Yeah, that is it. There it is. There, okay.
That's a shooting star
Now
right
that I
there.
know it, now
Yep.
that I know, I'll smash that.
Yep. But so now that we know it, yo, shooting star, if the
Yep.
next daily candle is green, if it's holding above the bottom of the shooting star, then yo,
Yeah.
it could rip higher, right? Now we know.
Look at, we didn't lose. Look at, maybe I should have done this. We didn't lose 50% of the last candle, that body.
Nope, you did it. Nope.
So
It
that's what
did
we
it.
probably should have done. And I
Yep.
guarantee that line is probably one of the tops of those candles earlier.
And the thing with Merc is, look what it's doing on the 9, bro.
Oh yeah, total respect.
Look at this shit, bro.
Total respect. Yeah. Oh, I got one for you to look at in a second. I want to figure out how you're gonna look at this next one.
Just said, yo, from November, I don't know what the 9 EMA is. Don't ever talk to me about the 9. And it just disrespected. Like, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy. I'm glad we seeing this in real time. It's crazy. Oh man. Yeah, Merc is crazy. All right. And yo, we've been playing Merc. That's the fire part about this ticker.
Yeah. I guess we got Gilead is to Merck as UPS is the FedEx, right?
Yep. Yep. Next. Oh, I got a new one, and then that's it. I actually spoke about it when Kleiman was on because CNNBC introduced me to it. I didn't know GE's in healthcare. So this IPO this year, this joint's been on a freaking tear. Like, right? Am I bugging?
Healthcare?
Yeah, bro. Yeah, look.
Adding.
Yeah, bro, look. It IPO'd over here. Bro, just 2 months ago, bro.
Huh.
No, not 2 months ago. I'm bugging. December 2022. I'm bugging. So almost a year ago, basically. But look, it's going
Don't
ballistic.
they like create all that shit? Like the X-ray machines and all that shit?
Repeat that, Nami, my bad.
I said, don't they create like all of the X-ray machines and shit? I feel like
I
they're
think so. I
like,
so.
yeah, you
Not
feel
for
like
nothing. This
either-
gives me ARM vibes, bro. Like ARM was the only one that I was talking about when it IPO'd and I saw how it was moving. That I was like, yo, this is one you buy, bro. Like, this is an equity name. This is giving me the same vibes. Like, this is only 87, right? So I'm sure by the end of the year this is gonna be past 100. Like, I don't see why not. Like, and it's healthcare, GE. Look at GE chart right now. Let's put GE right to it.
GE charts
Let's talk
going-
about GE. Let's just think rationally here,
We've
right?
been watching macro break after macro break.
Yeah,
after
so think
It's
rationally
looking like
here,
Merck,
guys.
bro.
Why
Looking like
wouldn't exactly? Why wouldn't you
waste
take
management?
Yeah, why wouldn't you take this if you see what this is doing? Like, come on. And this is already past 100. So
Motherfucking trade station won't let me trade it. Those
yeah,
fucking
yeah, that was crazy that day, bro. I can't
first stock ever created in mankind, man. Come on, man. Fucking
so,
Thomas
yeah.
Edison, bro.
keep your eyes open and peels for this. And 2 months to 3 months later, be like, yo, Cam said it, bro. The shit is at 120 right now.
Yeah, we should be doing some leaps.
You know what? Fuck
Mm.
Pfizer, bro, because Pfizer did me dirty.
Yeah.
So I I might look into this. I'm not even gonna lie. I'll do like 150, maybe 200. I'm gonna see
Yeah.
how they looking.
Woo. Yeah, that'd be sick, bro.
I'm gonna see how they looking tomorrow. All right.
Tesla in the 20s.
I think that's it, gang. Let me verify. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's all, folks. Let me see the chat. I got some messages
Talk
here.
about the moon, man. Man on the mic.
Oh, okay.
Want to show you, I think you're already seeing it, but RL, what the hell? Ralph Lauren. You've seen, yeah, I know you've seen this shit. What the hell?
Ain't
The
Sam,
fuck?
my brother.
The fucking fuck, bro.
Oh my God, what?
You want to talk about respecting a power earning gap up?
Wow, bro.
So
Yeah, I can't even.
obviously we need to find like a balance on this 8 or
Yeah, I was gonna
21
say, bro,
down here.
I'll be the worst trader in the world to tell you we got a long RL here.
I know, but it looks like you want to. Looks like
Oh.
TM, bro.
So RL,
Looks like ET.
Yeah.
RL will have to be a red day's coming for sure. I'm just trying to
Yeah.
stand. Hold on.
Yeah, find
Tomorrow
out.
is a Friday too, so tomorrow, not for nothing. Tomorrow could give you an entrance, like if the Bears want to show up all of a sudden, a little slight sell off. It
Yep.
could be like either a hard red day or a soft red day that maybe you could get a like one of these candles that got a wick on it on the daily. Like if it could be red and it's a wick, like because my entry on RL for a bounce will be right here, bro.
Yeah.
Around here.
That's
This
when
will
you're
be my first eye of the man. Like, let me watch this area. And
Yeah.
if it breaks this and fails, then I'm gonna watch at least here, bro. Right here. Almost I want to see if they're gonna respect the 9, basically.
Yeah, yeah.
Hold
right.
on. I need
Yeah.
to see that picture
What's
because I
up?
think it's missing the first part of it.
Nah, he's not coming to us, bro.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah. So,
Uh,
bro,
yeah,
RL, you gotta wait for a pullback now.
yeah, for sure.
Don't get me wrong. You see that price action with volume at the same time, trend
Crazy.
up, then you pull the trigger, my man. But do not fucking swing it.
Come on, bro. Always swinging.
They traded, man. I know, man.
Alright.
I was
Yeah,
regretting
yeah.
today. Today, I was like, damn, Thursday, and look at all the plays I could have held like last week. Because last week I did good. I held a lot, yo. But
Yeah.
this week I barely one day to the next. I've been doing one day to the next, one day to the next.
Yeah. I got the MU for you, bro.
Yeah, look, you got the MU. Huh.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Hey, check out X too, bro.
X.
You guys been talking about fucking Cliff and Valet.
Oh, Mike Epps, fire.
Check this shit out. I think it wants to go hit that top bully now, man. It's trying to clear these EMAs. And it's got a fucking green fucking pin bar hammer candle.
Double bottom.
Mhm.
4 days ago.
I was thinking about getting in there, but it's losing its fucking gap up. See, I mean, so that's why I was like, I
That's a
was
strong candle daily. The fact that it held above the 21, that's good.
Look at that freaking MACD. Look like it wants to green. Break that 0 line.
I like it. I like it.
Yeah, I haven't gone through all my watch lists, but I had that. And then
Oh.
with H&R Block, the software company that does TurboTax is into it. The chart looks hot, but I just wanted to put that on your radar if that's something that you're thinking for Catalyst is
They had didn't they have ER, bro?
into it, maybe, bro.
Yeah.
Shit. Got it right here. You're right.
Yeah,
straight
Intuit had
into it,
ER
huh?
today.
Hey, it's flat.
Yep, they definitely had ER. I remember. I saw it on the TV. Let me
On
see.
the hopper.
They were
Oh, wow,
flat,
it's
they
like-
flat, they flat. Yeah, they flat.
Hey, flat. And on the daily, you're cup and handling right now. You're creating the right side of the cup.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's a flat
Yeah,
one.
daily.
Make flat, you know. Let's go.
You gotta bring that motherfucker way the fuck up to see the left-hand side.
Yeah, hold on.
Really far out, but
Oh, sorry. Whoop, opposite way.
I hate those ambi turner charts where you can't look left.
Ambi turners.
Those ambi turner charts, so you can't look left. Shit sucks, bro.
This is a big macro break, bro. It's there. It's there. I like it, bro. I like it.
Yeah.
Damn, this
Yeah,
joint.
I only said that because you had H&R Block. Here comes the left side of that cup. Here it comes eventually.
Yo, this joint is.
The brim of the cusp.
There
Ooh,
she is. So she's
Okay.
trying to break. She's
okay.
gonna probably handle though, huh?
Yeah.
Return to ignition, hot and fresh out the kitchen.
That right hand side now, yeah.
Yeah. It definitely. Wow. This joint
It's
could
Shit
go
about to get handled,
or it's
homie.
this thing
6,
bull
7,
Ewing, massive bull U.
675 potential.
It's the Amazon smile, bro.
Amazon. That, bro. Amazon. Amazon smile, yo. That.
All right, man. That's it. Freaking taking a lot of your time already, man. So I really, really appreciate it. That's it on my side. I'll shut the hell up so you can get back
680
to it.
almost. I mean,
BA and ZS. BAZS, homie. Woo!
Nah, I got you. I got you, bro. I'm here for you. I'm here for y'all. So
Yeah, I want the piece of
675
this.
then 680, bro.
Bro, BA won't lose 200. If it does, go short. Palabra, bro. But
BA?
if it doesn't, don't go short.
BA and ZS, you said, bro?
BA and then Z scalar has it's a double cross. Getting double crossed. You'll see. It looked like
Matter of fact, what happened to BA today? Because it was looking good, right?
remember I brought it up to you and it had like some grave news like 4 hours later? Bro, I still didn't bring it down.
What the fuck? That's an abandoned baby on Zscaler. How did I miss that shit?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Well, I have to see double crossy.
Fuck.
Oh
Why
yeah,
did
BA held, bro. Yeah, you can watch BA
Oh, you know what? I saw this. I didn't like the RSI and MACD. That's why I skipped it.
or
Oh yeah, I thought about that. I'm thinking like this is like the most extreme part where it hasn't reflected yet on the daily, but if you zoom in the 4 hour, it's already starting to churn.
Oh yeah, no, I was talking about Zscaler. How I missed the abandoned baby, but I understand why I skipped it.
they got it ripped hard tomorrow if it's gonna bounce. But it gotta hold this level, in my opinion, bro.
Yeah, but they're losing contracts, losing parts in the sky, bro, and they're still holding 200.
Lose the
G, like
planes.
they deserve it, homie.
They're being investigated by the FAA for about 15 violations.
Losing contracts and losing parts in the sky.
It's in parts.
It's like the market Stifler. He's like the asshole, but he's our asshole.
Yeah, there's only one of them, bro. Not too many rocket scientists out there, bro.
What do rocket scientists say? It's not like rocket science. Fuck.
Right here. All right, Zscaler cracks that. You good to go clap, in my opinion. 230.
Yeah, man. That's just got a gap to fill upside, and if that's where we're going, that's a nice little coverage.
Yeah, that's a recover if it does. That remind me of Home Depot recovery a little bit. Home Depot ER brung it down and the recovery was crazy.
Yeah, DoorDash.
DoorDash too.
Dash did the same thing. I saw the same thing. I was like, that volume coming up, fucking the way the candle closed, and then the ER came down. Like they're gonna eat that fucking candle right back up again, and they came. I think I've been screaming it too. One more chart that I'm feel really confident is Lulu. And I
Oh,
like
shit.
I fucking bottom tick this motherfucker in the flag pattern, man. And you'll notice it's where it bounced. If you look all the way to the left, that candle was like next to like an explosion of another candle. Those green candles all the way over. And I see this at the bottom of a flag pattern where the pattern is going to break and you're going to go up to tops and even higher.
Yeah.
That's where she makes her stand.
I literally got in 2 days ago, Cam.
Yeah, that first rectangle, right?
Yeah, I had my alert hit. It's going to hit the bottom of the channel. It also hit this one level that I liked, and I fucking just jumped in.
You entered raw dog reversal, homie?
Got in this day, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I remember.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, I could have got in today, bro. All right. So
But I mean, even look at that candle. Look what it's doing to the EMAs on the daily. That candle on the daily, the EMAs on the daily. I don't know. I think it's
Bro, you got on the top of the head, bro, of a reverse head and shoulder.
yeah, dude. This thing matched a major line of support. This flag channel I see it's in, and I'll be honest. I saw the same thing in BA like last year, the bomb of flag channels and the break of that flag channel that caused that run. So
The bottom of the descending wedge break before the break.
yeah,
Holy shit.
I was like, dude, this thing is gonna. I looked at the daily on Lulu, and I'm like, bro, this thing is gonna do that, and I can't. I told myself when I missed it on BA, I'm like, when one of these things show up, I gotta try this thing out. So
I'm watching day 2 on this sucker.
yeah,
I feel like we need a separate swing account that we don't look at all the time, G, because this shit hurts. just so we hold and it's out of sight, you know. Like,
Mm.
I don't know. Somebody said keep your trophies. I don't know who the fuck said that once upon a time.
oh no, keep your trophy. You go manage the trade, but you know, this is how you hold the swing without all the bing, you know, bing bong, bing bong, bing.
No need to tell Cam that. Cam knows about Disneyland. He might live in the Bronx, but he knows about that West Coast Disneyland shit.
Oh boy.
Dang. Fire.
For real though, hey man, shit hard.
Alright, fire Zoom session.
As always,
Yeah.
brother, appreciate your time, man. Thanks for all the explanation on it too, man. I'm gonna go back at those that chart and kind of look at it more. Thank you for making me aware of it because I haven't taken the time to kind of look at that. And it's
Yeah, brother.
literally right in front of me.
Oh good, bro. Yeah, take your
Hey
time.
Doc, did you Back to the
Yeah.
Future yet, or what?
What's up?
Did you Back to the Future yet, Doc?
Oh no, I burned that account.
What?
Yeah, bro. Yeah. And I should have held the bottom of that thing, bro. It was sick, but that's all right. March 15th, we'll try again.
Get it. Alright, brother.
All good.
All
All right,
I'll
gents.
be on the flip
Peace,
side.
gang. I should be back full running tomorrow.
Alright, climbing. You know we miss you anytime you're
You're
not
gonna be on
day to dawn.
it. Later.
Alright, man. Everyone have a good night.
You as well.
Peace
Thanks,
out,
man.
man.
Appreciate it.
Alright.